Good morning. My fellow viewer, non-subscriber, I am eating whole grain Cheerios, I think that's what they're called, and they're good for you. Maybe I should make a little commercial, promoting whole grain Cheerios and all that stuff. Who knows? I also got tea and, still have, I have the rabbit mug that I showed you guys, like a little earlier. I think it was on the last vlog that I uploaded. I uploaded my vlog and, well, it is up. It features the new intro and outro. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. It's a great intro and outro. Tell me it really is. Okay, that is not a real good parody of that Don't Worry, Be Happy song, sung by a fish. It's around 9. I had dinner already. It's nighttime. My 276th vlog has been uploaded, and it features the new beginning intro and the ending outro. And outro, it's just a word that I made up, but I like it because it's creative, or that it's an original word, as far as I know. That's what everyone likes. Creativity and originality. While I was eating dinner, I felt like watching Death to Smoochie again, only with Dana DeVito's audio commentary on it, and it's always great to hear his voice and him telling about how much fun he had on the set of making the movie while at the same time starring in it. I think like after an hour DVD player, it stopped working. Time to get a new one. Today was pretty good. Got to hang with a couple friends of mine and eat guild fast food Chinese food. Again. Yeah. I should see a new movie. You know, there's a few that have already come out, and there's some pretty good ones. Charlie's bobbing his head. And a happy birdie. I'm thinking of seeing Wind Rises, or The Wind Rises at some point, sometime soon. I've got a rough draft to finish right now for my final in my writing class, and I'm not even close to being done. I'm like, okay. I'm gonna spend the next couple hours finishing it, and then I will go to beddy bye, and I will see you all tomorrow. Good night. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like it if you did, subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my other vlogs. Check out my good friend Mr. Kevin on his gaming channel and his vlogging channel. The links are down below in the description. Take care, stay tuned for more vlogs. I will see you guys later, and bye!